In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check in online on Ryanair. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a check-in online through the latest version of the Ryanair mobile app. Keep in mind that you can also perform this through the website, but I believe that the mobile app is going to be more convenient. If you want to do it on the website, you will have access to the boarding pass and all other information just like you would with the mobile app after you sign into your account and you go over to My Bookings. If you are doing this through the mobile app, immediately upon opening it up and signing into your account, you will see if the check-in is available for a specific flight. So on the home screen, there is going to be a warning telling you if the check-in is available. You can also use the button at the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen to access the check-in options. Immediately upon tapping on a specific flight or selecting check-in at the bottom, you will be able to start the process. So confirm the specific flight that you want to perform the check-in from, and the first step is going to be select the passengers. So choose everyone who is going to be flying. Make sure that you confirm and agree with the terms of service and all other necessary information, and you will be able to enter a lot of the details about whoever is going to be flying. So you have the nationality, document type, document number, the country or region of issue, birth date, expiry date, and any other possible additional information. So go through all of these details and make sure that everything that you input is valid and legitimate because it is going to be verified later. And as long as you complete all of the necessary details on this page, you will be able to proceed to get this process done. They are going to offer you additional services, which you can optionally choose, and of course, you will be able to choose your seats. As long as you go through this entire process, you choose the additional things and you choose any of the available payment methods, the check-in is going to be performed and you will have immediate access to your boarding pass. You can add this boarding pass to a digital wallet and you can manage it inside of the app. You can go over to the other tabs to see more information, and it is super simple to manage. I hope I was able to help you on how to do check-in online Ryanair. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.